Come test drive the 2012 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean modern interior with standard features including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, traction control, stability control, fog lights, tapless fuel filler system, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, power door locks, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.